welcome back. I know that I spend so much time talking about decorating, but who doesn't love it? And it is completely the season for decorating. Last week we talked about outdoor decor. Now let's bring it inside. It's getting really chilly outside. We're going to spend a lot of time with family and friends inside the house, so we want to make sure that the inside looks as beautiful as the outside does. And of course, there is no better way to decorate than with plants. And what I have here is this gorgeous kind of neutral setting that is so classic and stunning with a wide variety of plants. I want to show you that there are really some different plants that you can use. You don't have to just use the traditional Christmas or holiday plants that we think of. Here I have these gorgeous towers that really would fit into that modern farmhouse look. And in it is a mix of all different kinds of plants. Notice this beautiful bright white poinsettia. Well, I know that poinsettias seem very typical, but this one is a little different. It's called a Princettia poinsettia, and it's a very clean, pure white, not that creamy white. And I think it looks really lovely with these other plants. This here is really cute. This is called a Frosty Fern, and it doesn't have to just be for the holiday season. This will last you all the time in your house. So when you change out this planter and you take out the poinsettia, that Frosty Fern can remain. And then to add some really nice light airy texture is this Maiden Hair Fern. It really actually is one of my favorite all-time plants. And then move over to this next planter. And this is so lovely because there's something unique in here. This is an aloe plant. But the thing that really makes it nice is it almost has this kind of star shape. It just sort of reminds me of Christmas, and it has a different texture than all of the other plants, and it just all comes together and looks so lovely. Now I know also I have a little treat because we all love hydrangeas, and you know what? We can enjoy them inside as well during the holiday season. Look at this gorgeous hydrangea with this little citrusy tone in it. This is a hothouse hydrangea, so it's meant to be indoors. This is not for the outside. And I know that African violets are so standard and very typical plants, but look at it with this hydrangea. This little white one is so sweet and simple. Okay. This is the one other one I want to talk about. I love this. I bought these for my home, and they're gracing my windowsill at home, and it feels like bringing in a little forest inside for the holiday season. This is lemon cypress, and a really unique plant for the holidays. Great to decorate, brings a brightness to the home. But if you don't like all this neutral palette, oh, I just want to mention this one before I move on. This is Stephanotis. And the reason this is so awesome inside is it is really fragrant. I cannot tell you how good it smells. But if you want to add a little splash of color to this kind of neutral palette, very easily done. I have a few surprises here. This is a newer poinsettia. This is Gold Rush, and I think this could look stunning in any home. But I just wanted to make sure I showed you that. And then also, look at this one. This is a pink Princettia poinsettia with a really full display of color, and that's a really nice treat too. And then of course you can't go wrong with classic red poinsettias, but this one has something different. It has a touch of ivy around it, which is really a nice little look. And then of course traditional Christmas cactus, but remember they come in so many different colors. This salmon color is really unique. Have fun this holiday season inside, play with live plants, and then you can enjoy them past the holiday season all year round. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.